Hey folks, it's Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about it's enough, I have enough, or I don't have enough. Since we like to learn these words together as pairs, especially opposites, if we can learn them together, it helps us to increase our vocabulary faster and makes it easier for us to remember. So in this case, we're going to do I don't have enough or I have enough, right, together. So the first one is enough. So it is 충분히, right? 충분히. So whenever we have this he at the end of the Korean words, most of the time, that means it's the adverb form. So like in English, we're not saying enough is adverb, right? But in this case, they're using it as an adverb form because it actually has its own to do 하다 verb, right? So 충분하다, right? So 충분해요, right? To do enough, right? So but even if something is enough, I have enough of something, I will still use 충분해요, 충분해요. It's enough, yeah, right? It is enough, right? And then opposite, 반대, right? Opposite is 부족하다, right? Kind of fun to say too, 부족하다. So is to have deficiency, right? Or to not be sufficient, insufficient, right? So it means basically I don't have enough of this, right? So maybe we could use 시간, right? So 시간이 부족해요, right? I don't have enough time, right? So so I don't have to say the negative word because this means I have insufficient time, right? So, or money, right? Everyone feels that way, right? So, 돈이 부족하다, right? So, 돈이 부족해요, right? I don't have enough money, right? So, we have 충분해요. 충분해요 is enough, and we have 부족하다 is not enough, right? So, I hope you can put that into your Korean conversation right away, and it'll be helpful to you and pretty easy for you to remember, right? So thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, then you get notifications whenever I make new videos. Hit the thumbs up, give us a like, share. If you got a question, please leave it in the comments below. If you got comments, also always appreciate it when you leave comments there as well. Share it with your friends. And if you look in the description, there are links to LearnKoreanFast.com, and there are a couple of free resources there that also you can use for helping you to increase your Korean skill level. And there's also links there to my books on Amazon, which I really, really appreciate people buying, and it does help me out so I have more time for making more of these videos for you. Right? So 다음에 뵙시다.